They counted you out, whispered behind your back. Maybe you even started to believe them, but let me tell you something. This story isn't over. Not by a long shot. The hardest battles? They happen when no one's watching. When you're broken, but still get out of bed. When you're screaming inside, but stay silent. That kind of strength, it doesn't get applause, but it's the foundation of every comeback. There comes a moment where pain turns into power. Not because it got easier, but because you got tired of being at war with yourself. You don't need a crowd. You don't need approval. You need one thing, a decision. I'm not staying down. Your comeback isn't for them to understand, it's for you to feel. Every step forward is a promise to your past self that you didn't go through hell for nothing. You're not broken, you're becoming. If you're ready to rise, say it, type, "I'm coming back" in the comments. Like this video if it hit your heart and subscribe because your comeback starts now.